Welcome the new Applied Pneumatics application on the zSpace platform, the ultimate interactive learning and training tool for understanding pneumatic systems. This cutting-edge application brings pneumatics education to life, offering an immersive, hands-on experience that bridges theory and real-world applications. Inside Applied Pneumatics, there are interactive simulations to engage with pneumatic components in a virtual environment, visualizing component breakdown to help understand system parts through definitions, applications, and principles. With exploded views, see inside components to grasp functionality like never before. Voice-guided learning is available to gain deeper insight with audio explanations of key concepts. And experience interactive circuit building to design and test pneumatic circuits to understand real-world applications. Some key benefits to the pneumatic application are being able to experiment with pneumatic systems in a risk-free environment, gaining industry-relevant knowledge and technical expertise, using interactive 3D models for better comprehension, and building and troubleshooting pneumatic circuits to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. Ready to bring pneumatics trainings to the next level? For more information, please visit zSpace.com.